Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can disable the background apps in Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that or how we can do that. So disabling the background apps on your Windows, this will also boost the performance of your Windows. So if you just want to disable them, then here's the process. I will show you two different methods. Now click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. So I have 95 and 100 sorry for that. I have 100 applications found in my Windows. Now you just have to look for the applications. Let's say for this example, click on these three dots and then select Advanced Options. Now you will find this background app permissions. Let this app run in background. Just simply click on this drop down menu and then choose Never. Go back to installed apps. Then you just need to look for applications which has three dots. I mean, like all of this has three dots, but not all of them has this advanced options. Now, if you find the application which has advanced options, just simply click on that and then background app permissions. Let this app run in background. Just simply change this to Never. Now you have to do this for all the applications which has advanced options. Like for the Valorant, if I click on the three dots, there is no advanced options. Just simply look for the application which has advanced options, just what I have shown you earlier. Let me show you another one. Like the snipping tool, click on these three dots, select not uninstall but advanced options. Then you will have this background app permissions. Then just change this to Never to disable the application from running in the background. So this is the first method. Now the second method is through the registry editor. So type here regedit best match registry editor. Click on that. Now here in the registry editor, just follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So simply click on the HK local machine, double click. Then double click on the software, this one, double click. Under the software, look for policies. So let's scroll down. Look for policies, this one, double click. Then under the policies, look for Microsoft, this one, double click. Then under the Microsoft, look for Windows, this one, double click. And then make a right click on Windows, select New, select Key, and then change this into, click on Rename, and just follow me for the new K name. It's APP, capital P, RIVACY. It's capital A, small p, P, capital P, small RIVACY. It's app privacy. And then click on it, make a right click, select new, select the word 32-bit value. Then right click on it, or simply follow me for the value name. Type here, capital letter L, small e, small t, capital letter A, small p, P, S, capital letter R, small u, N, capital letter I, small n, capital letter B, small a, C, K, G, R, U, G, R, O, U, N, D. Let apps run in background. This one. Just follow the same thing as what I am doing. Then double click, change the value data to 2, click on OK, and then close the registry editor and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, and then in some cases or in some instance that you want to stop like you want to enable your apps from running in the background, then you just have to simply open the registry editor again, click on this, and then just follow the same path that you have done when you have disabled it. Computer, HK local machine, software policies, Microsoft Windows, and app privacy, and just simply make a right click on it and then select delete. Click on yes. Once done, close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.